What's happening, everybody? This is Vic from B Drive bringing it to you. 2020 Mercedes AMG C43, and I'm telling you this is one of the cars, if you bought it, you might be the first comer, but you will never leave Mercedes because it's going to leave you with such a great experience with this brand and with this car that you're going to absolutely fall in love with this. First off, let me just show you this key for all the North American boys, and if you're thinking the car comes with a remote starter, it doesn't. You'll have to rely on the phone app. This is how the fob looks like, but that's not the most interesting part of the vehicle here. But look at this beautiful looking the brownish gray color, looks really good. I'm just going to start talking about the headlights first. You have the multi-beam LEDs at the front. You don't really need fog lamps because these LEDs are really illuminating. You have the AMG badge right in the front, so the RS5 boys or the BMW boys do not tease you that you bought like a cheaper Mercedes, because this isn't. This vehicle brand new was roughly about 85,000 in Canada, but right now in 2025 you can buy one of these suckers for roughly around that $50,000 mark with 50,000 kilometers. You have the huge Mercedes badge at the front. You have the front facing camera, which is part of your 360. You have the blacked out grille at the bottom, front end sensors, all that kind of stuff. There is one disappointment though. You do not have a functional vent down there. You have a passage which is kind of like a vent that the air actually exits right over here. That's more for aerodynamics, not really for cooling. But behind that, you have the AMG wheels, aluminum brushed AMG calipers, and you have these drilled rotors, so you can slow down your vehicle really fast. And those drilled rotors are going to provide you some sort of a cooling. The size of these tires are 225 40 R19. Obviously, I'll show it to you how the brakes and everything feels, but let's just get to it. Bi-turbo or a twin turbo, those are the versions there, which I'm going to get into in a second. Even you have a fast car, you do have automatic braking, emergency braking, all that kind of stuff, and you actually have your rain sensing wipers there too. Since it's a coupe version, you can also have a four-door version too, which is nice, but this is going to be a really good addition. You have the keyless entry right there. You have the marker lamps right on your mirrors here when you're turning signals, all that. You have blind spot detection, nice lines along the side. You have the side skirts there too. And you have the giant rotors at the front that are size of your extra large pizza, I would say. But the rotors at the back, they are more like between medium and large, right? Not a huge difference, but that's just how the brands do. Now, at the back, you have this nice lip, not carbon fiber or anything like that, like a C43, but you have a nice spoiler at the back, gives you a really nice look, and these lights looks really cool. Look at the whole shenanigans that you see at the back here. And you have two set of exhausts on both the sides, back end sensors there, and you have a AMG bumper at the back there too, just for a better downforce and a flow as well. C43 badge, all that stuff, as you can see. I'm not going to get too much into that, but let me just show you the space at the back of the vehicle. Plenty of space. You can throw your ex-girlfriend in here if you really want to, and you have power lock button here too. You can lock the whole car using that button there too. But let's just get to the engine of this vehicle, because that's what the most interesting portion is. So this is me. If you're wondering who's the person behind the video here, please do not forget to subscribe, because there is more and more fun content on the way. If there is a specific car you want me to review for the channel, please drop a comment below. I look forward to hearing all those comments and the compliments there too. Thank you. All right, here it is, the heart of the vehicle here. 3-liter twin turbo V6 paired to 9-speed transmission, automatic. You have the paddle shifters, all that cool stuff there too. This engine produces 385 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. Lots of power. Exhaust sounds really good. Let me just give you a quick snapshot of how the engine sounds like when it's parked. And towards the end of the video, where I'm going to take this vehicle for a ride, I'm going to show it to you how it sounds like when you're actually driving it. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. All right, here we are driving our C43 that you have been watching from last few minutes here. Let me just show you. I'm going to quickly change my cluster screen, which was quite boring. I'm going to go into the AMG, and I'm going to try to scroll through the display here just for more fun, because you know what? Because it will look cool. Here it is. That's what I like to see. right? The car is super comfortable. One thing I've noticed, you can put it into still slippery, which is more for snow and raining days. You can put it in individual, where you can tune your suspension, exhaust, and your drive overall, or you can keep it in comfort, where the suspension is going to be really, really soft relative to any other mode right there. It's comfy, it's quiet. Let me just talk a little bit about that. It's quiet. Even though some of the cars that has frameless doors, as you can see right here, the windows, frameless windows I mean to say, they can be a little bit noisy. But even with that, this car is quite, good actually. And my sunroof was open, so I just closed it too, right? I'm gonna try to take this exit and show it to you how it's gonna act actually, because this thing is absolutely a beast here. Whew! The paddle shifter, the AMG steering wheel, just giving me goosebumps here. Bro, that was something. That was so good. Did you guys hear that? Like, it was lovely. I'm not gonna lie. It was lovely. Let me go in the right lane here so I can show it to you. All right. I'm gonna go down again. I really, really hope that you're able to see it in this one. If not, I'm gonna do a non-vocal one and you're able to experience in that. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! You can see the smile on my face and you can literally tell how much I'm enjoying this. Oh my God, the pops, the bangs in this thing is just giving me an orgasm, if you know what that means there. Remember when I told you in the starting of the video that you're gonna love this vehicle? It's gonna be an entry door to the AMG world and you will not leave. Now just imagine what would a C43 would do. That is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo. That thing's gonna be even a banger. A few days ago we just reviewed an RS5. That was also fun, but you know what? The pops and bangs in this specific car is even more fun. I'm gonna try to do it one more time to show it to you guys, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love it even more again. Okay, I'm gonna lower down my windows here real quick. Oh! This is so good. And the braking in this vehicle is really good too. As soon as you step on the brakes just literally grab the rotors and slows you down, which is the best portion of this car. There is only so much I can explain in a short video, regarding the experience and this magnificent vehicle. But I want to hear from you. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you feel about the pops and bangs and the performance and the styling? And just so you know, this vehicle is selling in Canada right now, pre-owned for $50,000. It has about 51 and change kilometers on it, 51,800, which is not so bad. Brand new, this car was about 30 grand more. Obviously, it depreciates over time, 5 years, 50,000 kilometers, but it's still not bad. You can still warranty it. You can still have the most fun with it. And after maybe 50,000 kilometers, still sell it for maybe 35 or maybe even 40,000 kilometers, depending on the market. But when I hear your thoughts, let me know in the comments below what you think about this car. Is this the go? Or would you think you'll take something else over this one? I want to hear from you. Look forward to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.